How to fix PNC Bank two-factor authentication problem. To fix this issue, you simply have to turn off active VPNs and ad blockers on your device. Once you turn it off, you simply have to now check for carrier shortcode blocks. You simply have to go ahead and open your native message application on your device. From here, you simply have to go ahead and initiate new message by tapping on the Start Chat option. Now you simply have to type help or start to the number 76214 or 668439. Once you send help or start in capital letters to any of this number, this will force your mobile provider to remove any background carrier filters and reactivate the text alerts from the PNC's outbound server, which should fix your problem. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.